Boucher caught up with Thelonious tonight.
A year after their own ordeal, Rick and Rose.
No, don't stop. Why? Why do you have to push me? I don't like when you do that. Come on. Yeah. Please. Let's do it. Let's do it now. It's 3:30 in the morning. Yeah. Please, baby. You know I love you. Yeah. Yeah. Let's do it. Yeah. No. No. Oh yeah, stop, don't stop, yeah, don't stop, yeah, don't stop, yes, don't stop. Go. Go now. Please go now. No, baby. I don't want to go. No, let's do this. Yeah, I kick you out. This is my car. Oh, come on. Come. I don't like you. Such an old guy. I like young boys. See you later, sucker. Oh. Boo.